Have you seen a singing bowl? This is also called a Tibetan bowl. There are a lot of posts on Instagram and Facebook showing the beautiful sounds that it makes. After going through countless posts on how to make it sing, I lost my chi in the process. And then I turned to the physics behind it, and voila! The bowl was singing and I got my smile back. Here's what I learned. You'd be able to make your bowl sing within 15 minutes if you tried. It's all about vibration, and the energy that feeds this vibration is the frictional force that we impart to the rim of the bowl. Ever held a ringing bell? Well, that's a surefire way of silencing it, and we do not want to do that. It's about the hand motion. It has to be steady, and you should not lose contact with the rim. If you lose contact and come back again, it's like touching a vibrating bell, which will dampen the sound effect. Okay, the trick lies in applying a continuous force, frictional force, but without the mallet losing contact with the rim. Whether you feel more at peace or not, that is for you to decide. May the song be with you. Bye for now from Dr. Strings.